Welcome to workout number 5. I can't believe we've got to number 5. This is the last one in this series. So this is all about the lower body. As with all of our wall Pilates, we will work the whole of the body all the way through. But our focus is really going to be to feel the legs working, the glutes working, the inner thigh working, the backs of the legs, the front thigh. Everything's going to work from this way down, but you'll still get lots of core work in as well, and a little bit of upper body as well. Now, the only tool you need is a cushion. Yeah, you want to make sure that it can fold, because you're going to push your knee against it. So you want to fold it, and then you're going to push your knee into your cushion and hold it there. Now, because you're pushing your knee into the cushion, your knee has to stay still, and this is the tricky bit. And it'll take you a few goes to get this right, but just keep pausing the video until you get the right position. Now, your back leg is going to be onto the ball of the foot, and it might be that you don't go very far from where you are right now. If you need it, put your shoulder onto the wall as well. If you feel quite balanced, take your shoulder away from the wall. Level 1, you're just going to lower down a little way and come up and squeeze into your buttock on the way up. So this buttock here is really working. Level 2, you're going to go down a little bit further. Level 3, slide your leg back further and go even deeper into it. So it's basically just a question of going as low as you can, bearing in mind you've got your knee pushed into the wall. And the lower you go, the harder it's going to be. You're doing really well, guys. We're going to just do 2 more reps. Lower down and lift. 1 more rep. Lower down and lift. Take your cushion away. Now I want you to just hold your cushion in your hand. By pressing in the cushion, it's going to help us to feel our upper body working. We're going to take the legs wide and we're going to put the back up against the wall. You've got your feet turned out, and we're going to squat. Bring your feet a little bit away from your wall. You want them about 20 to 30 centimeters away from the wall. Mine are about 20 centimeters away from the wall. So you want to hold that position about 10 inches. Pushing and squeezing in on your cushion. We're going to drop down and lift up. Now our bottom is going to stay on the wall. You also want to keep your back upright so your spine is long. Yeah, you want to feel your core engaged. Pushing on your cushion. The lower you go, the harder it is. Level 2, go a little bit lower. Keep your bottom on that wall. Level 3, you're going to go even lower. Yep, drop all the way down and lift up through. You're doing well, guys. Let's do 2 more here. Should be feeling it. Try to push your knees out wide if you can. Well done. Other side. So cushion against the wall. Push your knee into the cushion. Back leg, arms in front, up nice and tall. Feel the buttock on your back leg squeeze. Lower down and lift. Keep that knee pushed into the wall. Do it again. Keep it going. You're nearly there, guys. If you want to work harder, you're going to go a bit lower. If you're going to go into level 3, you need to take your foot further back, because you want to keep your spine upright. Yeah, you don't want to be leaning forward with it. So you keep your back up tall. So you really have to take your back leg further back if you want to go deeper into the movement. Let's just try 2 more. Lower down and lift. 1 more. And you're there. Well done. We're going to do a second set of our squats. You ready? Pushing in against your cushion. Keep your back up nice and tall. Take the feet out wide. We're going to lower down and push up through. Slide your bottom on the wall and resist against the wall, but use the wall to keep your spine up tall. Your head is almost touching, but not quite. If you've got a ponytail, your ponytail can touch. So keep your back up tall. The lower you go, the harder it is. You don't have to go very low at all. You can just go a teeny tiny little way. That's fine. Level 1 here, right here. Yep, level 2 a little bit lower. Level 3, lower still. Let's just do 2 more reps, guys. 1 more rep. You're doing so well. Squeeze on that cushion. All right, now you don't need the cushion. We're going to come down to the floor and we're going to do 2 exercises on the floor. So coming down into the floor, you're going to put your feet up against the wall. Now we're going to make sure that your bottom touches the floor, and that's really important. Now we did this in our workout 1 with both feet on the wall. We're going to take one foot off the wall. So make sure as you take a foot off the wall, you can actually still keep your bottom on the floor. So maneuver yourself so you can still keep your bottom on the floor. Now the angle of your knee is key here. Level 1, you're going to take it out to the side so you're not pushing into the other leg. So you've got the side of your foot on here and you're going to come up and down. Pressing your bottom into the floor and then coming up and curling it. And you don't have to go very high either, but you have practiced this already. Level 2, put a little bit of pressure pushing your foot against your thigh. So your knee's going to come in a little bit and you're going to push a little bit into the thigh with this foot here. Level 3, bring your knee in and really push, squeeze. Push. Come up a little bit higher if you can, level 3s. Remember, you can be doing it here, level 1s. All right, that's it. We're going to change legs, other side. So you find your angle. Knee out to the side is your level 1. Come up as high as you're comfortable with, squeezing into your bottom. Level 2, little bit of pressure, so you're pushing your hands onto your knee, you're pushing your foot into your thigh, front thigh, with this lifted leg here. Level 3, the knee's going to come in, and you're going to really push against it, and try and lift up a little bit higher. Nearly there. Should be really feeling it in your hamstrings and in your glutes. You're going to do one more. And then you're there. All right, now come a little bit closer to your wall, both feet on the wall, come up and stay up. All right, now level 1s, you're just going to have a little low position and you're going to walk the feet away from the wall, just alternating. Level 2s, you're going to come up higher and walk the feet alternating. You should be really feeling this in the backs of the legs. Level 3, don't alternate, use the same leg. Pushing up higher now. Go 8, 7, 6, 5, should be fatiguing. Change legs, level 3, level 2 and 1. Just stop when you feel fatigue, whether you're alternating low, alternating high, just stop when you feel you've had enough. I'm going to do 4 more, 3 more, 2 more, and then you're there. Well done. Rest, and let's stretch the legs out. Well done, well done. Press your bottom into the floor, and you should really feel like the backs of your legs and your bottom have had a really good workout. Well done, well done. Change legs here. You've done so well, guys. So just stretch the legs out and then release it, and you're done. Well done.